Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. So it's been a long time since we've done like a weekly vlog. So part of that reason is because our camera broke when we went to this place on New Year's Eve. I think we might have posted a picture or video of it, but we went to this very far place in Charleston. It was Driftwood Beach is what it's called. And so we were by the water and Travis was trying to film and water got into the camera. So we haven't really like looked at the insurance policy. It's been like almost 4 years since we bought that camera. So we're not really sure if insurance is still on there because sometimes they're like 3 years. So anyways, today we're at the beach. We had this real idea that hubby is helping me to film. You guys probably heard Coffee's new song, Pull Up. Yeah, it's a reggae song. So if you follow me and you're not from Jamaica or from the Caribbean, it's a new reggae song by the artist Koffee, Koffee. And so I really love that song. And so we're at the beach about to film it. So hubby's outside messing with his drone. You can see him there. Hi, Music. Say good morning. Music got a haircut, guys. Hi, Taylor.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you have to say today to the folks on YouTube?
We're going to the beach.
Did you tell them that you won your championship game?
Oh, yeah. Our basketball team are the champions for 2022.
Absolutely.
Woo!
I'm going to insert some clips into that for you guys to see. So, yeah, my baby girl, her first year playing basketball, and she did so good.
Pull up another party, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another Rari, yeah. Bare feelings that I carry. Pull up another Audi, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody, yeah. Pull up another card, yeah. I ain't not watching nobody but you. Pull up another ladder. Put me off the Benz and the Prada. And a couple brand new order. All of them fully don't matter. 0 to 102. Yeah, so I'ma flex on you. All in on my section view. I set on you.
Rocking my new Fabletics outfit. Hubby's rocking his new Fabletics outfit. So today, Isle of Palm has something called an Arctic plunge. It was at 10 a.m. But it was drizzling, so we didn't come out to see it. But I know there were a bunch of people who we just saw leaving, and so what's going on? Come on, kiddos. So this is one of my new Fabletics outfit. It's, ooh, I got makeup on it already. Oh no. So comfy. Back home, as you can see, and hubby is just lounging on the couch. He's probably editing a video. Is that what you're doing, babe? No? What you doing? He's like, back it up. All right, anyways, Taylor and I are about to go prep for our Super Bowl. What about your friends? Will they be around? Will they hold you down? Taylor already did this. If you can see, and she's working on fruits.
Oh wait, can I borrow your pen?
No, I'm gonna use this. There's one right here, but I'm using this too. There's other cutting boards under there too.
What do you need? I'm already cutting strawberries. What do you need for strawberries?
This is for displaying, this is for cutting.
As time goes by. It's been a long time.
woman excellence right here. Crowned upon us in the dancery. Now, good morning, princess.
Good morning.
You excited for Valentine's Day?
Yes.
What are you gonna give your friends?
I'm gonna give them Valentine's Day hearts.
Oh, is that what we made when we went to the Belmont?
Yeah,
Charleston Place?
I had to hot glue them though.
Oh, you did? Because they were falling off?
Yeah.
I love them. All right, you ready for your Valentine's Day breakfast?
Yes.
Let's do it. Music. Taylor just finished eating breakfast and
It was delicious.
I didn't even catch her eating it. But look at her outfit. Outfit of the day. Super cute. Step back a little more. Cute.
Valentine's Day outfit, you guys.
Yay.
Ready?
You have to send me that one, babe.
No wonder mommy thought it was weird when you were doing it.
Hi guys, so as you can see we're out to dinner. It's Valentine's Day. I decided to take Taylor out for a Valentine's Day date. This is our first of many Valentine's date, right baby girl?
Yep.
So we're out to one of our favorite places to eat, Water's Edge. You should see all the lovebirds here, guys. They're so cute. Taylor said we feel like outcasts.
We're basically outcast because only old people go here.
Stop it. That was not nice. And they're not, I see kids, I see young lovers. Look over there.
Young lovers, mommy.
Yeah. So I've been wanting some oysters all weekend and now I get it. Show myself going to work. Bear with me. Going to work keeps me super busy, so I try to focus and not be distracted. Like years ago, I used to go on Instagram at work all the time. I could do whatever, but heavy is the head that wears the crown. So I'm pretty much always busy doing something. So I don't really have the time to film. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to though. I'm gonna try to film a little bit of my day. Oh, and it was raining today. So it was one of those moods where you just like get the job done and that's it. So now I'm home. I just finished cleaning out the refrigerator because we had so much old food that I just wanted to get rid of it. The freezer has food too. And that's because we started meal prepping. So we'll meal prep breakfast, meal prep dinner, because it's easier. So when Taylor comes home, she could just take the food out if we're not eating together, or she could take her snack because those are prepared. And we've been doing that since January. It's worked so good for us. This week we got a late start on meal prepping. It's now Tuesday and I cooked the food Tuesday, but I was so tired last night that I didn't even show you guys the food. I just went to sleep. So I'm gonna package it today. So we didn't even eat most of it yesterday. So yeah, let's do it. Hi guys, so we're at Sightsee Shop. This is a raspberry and Nutella croissant. Was it a turnover? Raspberry and Nutella turnover. So yummy. So yummy.
Mine's more yummy.
Taylor says hers is more yummy.
Blueberry and muffins are always more yummy. They're just amazing. Nothing wrong with them. They're just beautiful.
Show them your cute little cup. We met the owner and he designed that little guy on there on a skateboard. And Taylor's a skateboarder, so let's get it. Firefly Distillery Food Truck Festival, and as you can see, we are waiting in line. Not too happy because I am hungry and I was trying to keep my belly, and usually you can walk right into a food truck festival, but I guess there's just so many people that they're regulating. So we've been lying for probably 5 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes to get through the line. Let's go. Okay, update video. We got in less than 10 minutes. Now we just need to secure the food. Can you go down low? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top?
I'm already at the top.
But dang, all the lines are long. Go to the left. One hop this time. Two. Hey. Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? No? Oh, Taylor, please. Music, I'm gonna need you to behave yourself, boy. Music is too excited right now. Guys, there's so many people. We brought our blankets. They're playing good music over there. There's a DJ. This is the first place we're choosing to order from because I'm getting a fried shrimp tray. And Taylor, what are you getting? Taylor's getting smoked rib tray with fries. I actually wanted Happy Thai, but Taylor didn't want Happy Thai, so this is what we're going for. There's a liquor tasting, excuse me, and basically it's $10 plus tax, of course. Oh, the line is super long. You found it? Oh, so they bamboozled us?
Yeah, it probably got long. It probably wasn't long when he came to it.
Yeah, so we're inside of the Firefly and the line is super long, guys. I don't think I can wait. Oh my gosh, but I do want something to drink.
Because the sweet tea vodka is our flagship product, so I would definitely say try one of those. That's like what we're known for.
I'm gonna go for the OG. Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Say hi. Say hi. Yes, I love the slow-mo. You saw Sissy? Show them. Hey guys, so Taylor made this doggy bandana and it matches our outfit obviously, but it's so cute. She made this last season, and so because it's getting warm, we're now wearing it. Right, boy? Right, boy? Yes, yes, yes. So if anyone wants a doggy bandana, let us know.